Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a cleaning hack.
If it has been a while since you cleaned the detergent drawer of your washing machine, you should do it immediately. Mold and bacteria could build up inside, or your washer won't work properly anymore. These are just a few issues you could have if you don't clean it regularly. You can see mine got so grimy. Remove the detergent drawer by pressing down the plastic covering over the fabric softener section of the drawer and gently pull the drawer towards you. Look the inside, so gross, and I even have some detergent build up in there. It really needs a good cleaning and disinfecting. You will notice the ceiling and the back of the space gets dirtier. On my channel you will find a lot of cleaning hacks videos. If you're interested, I will link some of them at the end of this video. Remove all of the detachable elements of the drawer, rinse thoroughly with warm water and spray a disinfecting product, letting it sit according to instructions. I will use Dettol antibacterial multi-purpose cleaner in the lemon scent.
Never thought I wouldn't jump. Oh, what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again.
While I let it sit, I will also spray it into the drawer cavity. This will tackle the mold easily and the antibacterial action will leave it hygienically clean. It leaves the washing machine smelling so fresh and clean. To wash everything, I use this bathroom cleaning sponge and an old toothbrush.
Cause this might be love. It's a feeling that I can't get rid of. So just take my hand, cause you know I don't wanna play pretend. Stay with me, take a chance, baby, roll the dice. Gotta give me some love, cause when I'm with you I'm in paradise. You know how to make me feel alive.
Cleaning regularly the drawer could save your laundry from coming out smelling musty or earthy. Clean it once a month or even more often, depends on how often you use your washer, to keep on top of this fabric softener and mold buildup and to keep your washing machine smelling fresh. After cleaning thoroughly and rinsing, I let everything air dry. I have there some discolorations, but the drawer is clean. Now let's clean the drawer housing. It's so dirty and grimy. I use the sponge, the toothbrush, and even my electric cleaning brush that I got on Amazon. It is very helpful to clean so many areas around the house.
Take a chance, baby, roll the dice. Gotta give me some love, cause when I'm with you I'm in paradise. You know how to make me feel alive. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. You gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah.
The toothbrush and the electric cleaning brush are really good for getting into little crevices. I want to thank you for stopping by and taking time of your busy day to watch my video.
He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad...
If you want to learn how to clean other areas in your home or other cleaning hacks, please subscribe. I have a lot of videos like this.
His finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Yeah, it gets when I'm in a bad mood. Then he knows how to make it alright. Yeah, I get that, you got a history, but I don't wanna think about no other than us. They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation.
Wipe with a microfiber cloth and that's it. Not perfect, but for sure clean, disinfected and detergent build-up free. Put back the drawer and your washer is ready to use. Please let me know in the comments below how often you clean your detergent drawer. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and see you next time. Bye!